Samhita and welcome to my channel Sahajats. So today I'm very happy because my father bought me a ring light which I wanted from a long time. So today I'm going to show the ring light to you and I want to show how it works and what is the cost, where I bought and all. So let's get started. So firstly, before showing the ring light, I want to say how it is useful for us. So obviously every one of us know we can make Instagram reels, live streams, YouTube videos and all. And for YouTube videos, Instagram reels and live streams, we can also use the natural light as now I'm using. There is no extra light used here. I'm only using the natural light and you can use like that. But if we have the ring light, it has functions of fill light, beauty eye, beauty face, brightness skin, etc. So we can use it very easily. Now I will show you how to use it. So I have bought the ring light in the Amazon, and when it comes in 4 parts. So the first one is this ring light with a connected wire which has a controller which can control its brightness and the colors of the ring light. So the ring light comes in this box. LED ring fill light. Its functions are fill light and beauty face, make face and eye in beauty, night core extreme multiple color temperature, and the ring supplement lamp is suitable for selfie and live video streaming, etc. It has the functions of fill light, beauty face, beauty eye, brightness skin, etc. It can also adjust for 3 color temperature and according to your favorite to adjust various shade, and is equipped with a variety of heights and angles in use with frame, which is a beauty weapon. So it has 3 colors temperatures and we can adjust the brightness of the light and everything. And this stand is very flexible and very long. We can use it very easily. So I will show you how to set this and how to use this. So let's start. So to set the ring light, first we need to take this screw. And here is the pin and here is the hole. We need to set it here. Same like how we set a screw, like that. So this screw is adjustable as I said before. Like this, it rotates 360 degrees and this is for the ring light. Here we set the ring light. So now let's fit the ring light here. You need to be very careful while setting the ring light as it has a delicate wire and if it gets stuck it will be broken. You need to rotate the wire also as you rotate the ring light. Yes, so now we have set the ring light here. So I'll show you how this screw works actually. We need to lose this screw so that we can rotate this ring light. So there is a screw here which can adjust the length of the ring light. So we need to lose this screw and we can open this ring light and it can become much longer, like this height. So I'll keep it this short because now I'm making the video. Now let's fit this mobile stand. It is very flexible. So here is the socket here. Here I have fixed the mobile stand. Now we need to do it like this, and in this socket we can keep our phone. So now let's light up the ring light. So when you on the switch, there will be a blue light here for the power off button. So this is the controller. We need to on this, and here the ring light is on. And I will show you how to adjust the colors. This button is for adjusting the colors. It can change into 3 colors, and we can also reduce and increase the brightness of the lighting by, this is the reduce button and this is the increase button. So now I am reducing the light. As you can see, it is slowly reducing. Now I will increase the light. Yes. So in this way you can use this ring light. So now I'm shooting my outro with my ring light. So I'll change the colors: white, light gold and gold color. So we can change these three colors in my ring light, and if you want to buy this ring light, the link is in the description box below. And yeah, that was my take on my ring light, and I hope you all liked this video, and if you really did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Sahaj Arts, and I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.